Now, I tend to call this the Bradley Cooper version. And as Jacob asked me, do I like it? I like it to the extent that I like the bones of this story. But because a male wrote it and had two other male screenwriters rewrite him, it becomes his story. It becomes the Jackson Maine story. We have much more focus on his character, his backstory, and while giving a female superstar one name seems modern, in many ways, it erases part of her own history. What is her actual last name, right? A female character without a last name is not one who's been thought through all the way, I would say, in reading a script. So in this case, we focus so much on his backstory, so much about his own family. It's his brother that's part of the story. So much is more about the star who's dying than the star who is being born in this movie. She doesn't really have the same agency, certainly not that Barbra Streisand gave her character, really not that we had out of Julie or Janet either.